We will see how the deletion happens in binary search tree. So when we want to delete a leaf node, we can delete immediately. When we want to delete the non-leaf node, there are two criteria. One, the node which is having only one child, the node which is having two child. For both the non-leaf node deletion, the properties are same. So first we need to identify the minimum of the right subtree and replace with x. X is the item to be deleted from the binary search tree. So the minimum element of the right subtree of the x must be replaced with the x and remove the right subtree minimum. That is, the minimum value which we have identified in the right subtree must be replaced, so that it has to be detached from the right subtree and it has to be replaced with the place of x. So next we will see with an example how this is happening. So consider the BST. Now I want to remove 4. So consider this is my x. I want to remove 4. So what are the properties to remove my non-leaf element? So I need to identify the minimum of the right subtree. So there is no right subtree. So which is very there is no right subtree. So directly I am deleting this node. Now after deletion of this particular element, my tree will be like this. So this will get detached from the BST and 3 will get attached to right of element 2. So the BST, when we are deleting the node, non-leaf node, which is having only one child. So deleting only one child. So next, so we will see how we can delete a node which is having two child. 8, 1, 5, 3, 4. So now I want to remove 2. So I am making 2 as my x. So this is my right subtree of my 2. So which is minimum among these numbers? 5, 3, 4. I need to identify the minimum of the right subtree. So 3 is the minimum value, minimum element. So I just need to replace the minimum value with x. I have to detach this from the binary search tree. So how can my new tree will be looking like? 6. First I need to replace the minimum value in place of x by detaching that from the right subtree, and then 5, and here comes 4. So this is my, so after 6 I should insert 8. So this is my final BST after deleting the result of the BST after deleting the non-leaf node 2. We will see how we can write this in an algorithm. So BST deletion. So my first condition will be when the tree element equals to null, then I have to return the item not found. When the t pointer is null, item not found, My second condition, if my x, the item to be deleted, x, if it is less than the tree of element, then I need to remove, I have to actually move on to my left of my subtree, left of my tree, so t of left. My third condition, else if x is greater than t of element, I have to move on to the right. So remove x comma t of right. So the last condition will be else if t of left not equal to null, it is not null, and t of right not equal to null, then what we need to do? We have to consider the t of tree of element. I need to identify the minimum of right subtree. So this condition, the fourth condition, is for if you are deleting a node of having child. So find the minimum of t of right of element. And then I need to detach that particular element from the right subtree. I have to replace it with the deleted node. So remove the t of element from the right subtree, that is t of right. That's the meaning. Otherwise, my t will be like t of left not equals to null, then it will move on to t of left, otherwise t of right. So once again I am repeating. So BST deletion, if we have the leaf node to delete, then we can delete it immediately. If we need to remove the non-leaf node, then we have to identify the minimum value of the right subtree of the particular deleted element. So suppose if we are chosen 2, so which are all the right subtree elements? So among the right subtree elements, I need to identify the minimum value, and I have to replace that minimum value in place of x, and I have to detach, that is remove the minimum value from the tree. So this is our BST deletion, and we have provided the example. So deleting only one child, so we need to delete 4, so I don't have any right subtree, so directly I am deleting 4 and attaching 3 to right of my 2. So this is deleting a node having 2 children. So when this happens, suppose here I need to delete the element 2. I am having two children. So first thing I need to identify the minimum of the right subtree. So minimum of 5, 3, 4 is 3. So I have to detach 3 and replace it with in place of x. So my resultant tree will be looking like this. So here in these conditions we need to perform our traversal, and so first condition, We are checking whether there is a tree or not. So tree pointer is checked as whether it is null or not. Second, if the element to be deleted, that is x, if it is less than the tree element, then it has to move on to left subtree. Otherwise, it has to move on to right subtree. That is given as condition 2 and 3. Condition 4. So when both the left and the right subtree are not equal to null, that is, it is having the child. So the element, I need to identify the minimum element of the right subtree. I have to replace it with the place of x. So that is what given here. Otherwise, else for the traversing purpose, if it is not null, I have to move on to left or else to the right. So these are the conditions.